Hey guys, I'm Corey Bysted over at Guarantee RV. I'm here to show you the Arctic Fox 285C. Alright, now that we're inside, the first thing you're going to see is you got this beautiful island on the inside of the rig. Now the kitchen is really nice because you get a little bit of this counter space, but the island makes it all the more better with counter space. Now if you look over here, you got these brown panels covering your refrigerator. So that's kind of nice because you don't feel like you have this big appliance in the middle of your living room. It kind of gives you that cabinetry look, and it's kind of consistent with the warm feeling of the color palettes that Arctic Fox chooses. Now you can come over here into the living room. You have a fireplace. It is very warm. You have a TV. You have the whole U-shaped dinette, and it's a little bit wider than they usually tend to be. And you have a love seat right here in front of your TV. Now these actually heat up, they massage, they're electrically reclinable, and they light up for your cup holders as well. You also have this little storage cabinet beside it too, so you can put whatever you may need in. And there actually is a pantry in this kitchen, so a lot of the time they don't actually put pantries in the rigs, and I've always been confused by that. There is a ceiling fan up above, so you can turn that on. If you go upstairs, you can see that you have two doors. One is your bedroom, one is your bathroom. Your bathroom can be accessed from your bedroom, because there are two doors into that bathroom. Your shower is big enough for most adults, even though it's in the corner. It's one of the better corner showers in my personal opinion. And over here at your bedroom, you have this little closet in the side, and you have a bed that you can sleep on. And it's all very well proportioned for being a smaller rig. All of the parts that are all Tetrised in here, your living room size, your kitchen size, your bathroom and bedroom size, are all talking to each other very well. You will not feel very much claustrophobia inside of this rig. Thanks for checking out this 285C. If you guys have any questions on the rig or availability, you can just call me, Corey Bysted, at 541-735-1535. Thank you.